In this video, you will learn how to create a virtual environment with Python in Windows. Now open a terminal, and this is where you're going to type Python -m venv, and then in the next argument, you're going to type where you want to store this virtual environment, and I'm going to store it in the folder venv. Press enter. And now VS Code will ask you, we notice the new environment has been created. Do you want to select it for the workspace folder? And you want to do this, so click on yes. And now you will see here at the bottom of your screen that Python has switched to the virtual environment. So you can choose here between the global Python version and the Python version installed in the virtual environment. Now what's important is that Python is still installing any libraries in the global Python environment. And if you want to change that, we have to activate this environment. So we're going to type venv/scripts/activate and press enter. And now you will see that I'm getting an error, unauthorized access. And if you're getting this error as well, you're going to type the following command that you can find in the description of this video. Press enter. And now we're going to try to activate the virtual environment again. So type venv scripts activate and press enter. And you will see that the virtual environment has been created. And now you will see venv before any line in the terminal.